Hi everyone, so you ordered your Tesla vehicle and is super excited for that day when you take delivery of your new vehicle. The feeling of seeing your new vehicle is pure joy, and sometimes you'll be caught up in many things that you may not have thought of during delivery day. Comes with a vehicle purchase. So as of February 2021, this information is current. Maybe some changes that Tesla would do in their content of the vehicles that they're giving out to customers. So that's a disclaimer for me to say. Check with your sales advisor as well as the forums and other videos that may be helpful moving forward. Having said that, so I'm gonna go inside the vehicle through and then outside what you would need to look for when you're taking delivery. So first thing is that inside the vehicle, USB drive inserted in the USB slot inside the glove box. Deliveries as of January 2021, this came pre-installed in the vehicle for Tesla Model Y. So look for this. It's 128 gig. It's inserted inside a couple of manuals. One is for safety information, and then the other one is your roadside assistance manual. So these are located in the glove box together with a cleaning cloth with the logo there. This came pre-installed. I was surprised to actually see this when I test drove the vehicle. I did not notice this, so I'm pleasantly surprised that this was in here, but maybe I just didn't notice when I test drove the vehicle. Carpets, of course, it will come with carpets. Your delivery center should have pre-installed them. So let's go towards the back of the vehicle. So the charging kit. So it comes with the charging kit that you have, the mobile charger. So make sure that you look for that. There is an adapter for your 110 outlet that comes standard, and J1772 charge adapter. If you have those things, comes in a Tesla pouch, so a good carrying pouch. In my case, since it's required by law in the state that I live in, is a front plate holder assembly. So this assembly, it does come with the screws, and then it comes with a knife holder that you could put in the rear. You should see up in the front, you should see your tow eye. Most importantly, before you drive off, you should receive this card with 2 Tesla key cards. That is it, and enjoy your new vehicle. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. If you are in the market for a Tesla and want 1,000 free supercharging miles, click on my referral link below on the description. And all of you have a good day.